Hey guys, welcome back to Rhino Pips FX University, where we are teaching you how to trade Forex. Now, we again have secret indicators that we use for our students only, which is free of our course. Today we're trading 𝐤𝐸𝐤𝐵Y. We've got about 5 lots open here, and we are currently in the negative, but we are very certain with our indicators that we will surely, as you can see on the screen in the red box, start to go to positive. On this trade, guys, we'll make over £1,000 in just 50 minutes. And as you can see, we have increased significantly on our trades and our positions in that box there. You can see that the actual indicators that we use, again, that are not on your screen, do actually work. They tell us when to take the trades and what direction to take the trades in. It's such a simple strategy, guys. If you want to find out more, just go onto our website. We follow simple market structure, but our indicators, which we have worked on for years, are invaluable. They do most of the work for us, 80% of the work, so we don't have to stare at the screen the whole day. And when the alerts go off, we can just check the chart and take our trades. That's all. And as you can see, guys, over £1,000 right there in front of you on a live trade. You can't get any better than this. Just check us out, like and subscribe.